Hello guys, and welcome to this easy tutorial. Just going to show you how to connect GetResponse to ClickFunnels. It's a very easy process. Just go to GetResponse, okay? Then you just click, I'm just going straightforward. Then just click on the top left corner on the dots here. Then you've got integration and API. Very easy. Click on this. You've got different menu over there. We're only going to focus on API. Okay, click on this. Then you've got your key. You can generate a new one. You can give it a name. Okay, and then all you have to do is just copy the key. Next process, now you've got to go in ClickFunnel. There we go. So to go in the section, you just go on the top right corner. Okay, when you've got your name, and you just click on account settings. Okay, and then you just go down and you'll be integration here. Email integration, SMTP, don't use it. It's gonna be if you use ClickFunnels, the 297 version, the plan. That's why I use in GetResponse. It's cheaper, way cheaper. There we go. When you're here, you just click on add new integration, choose your autoresponder. In this case, for me, is GetResponse. Hopefully for you as well. By the way, for the one who do affiliate marketing, GetResponse is affiliate marketing friendly. Aweber as well. Active campaign, not really. They're very good if you do like e-commerce dropshipping, or if you got your own product, is very good. But if you do affiliate marketing, I recommend Aweber and GetResponse. It's just because if someone unsubscribe, you don't pay fees, it's free. I think you've got fees on Aweber, and it's more expensive as well. So GetResponse, you click on this, and then all you have to do is you can name the integration key, integration nickname, GetResponse. There we go, and then you just paste it, and then you click on add integration. I'm not gonna do it because I already have it in place, and that's it. I mean, it's pretty easy. Again, very important as well. If let's say you've got like a problem and integration hasn't been very successful, it happened to me the first time. All you have to do is come back and GetResponse, and you've got here the chat 24/7. You just click on this, and then all is gonna happen is you're gonna have a consultant who's gonna help you and just say, hey, I tried to connect GetResponse to ClickFunnels, but it doesn't work. Can you sort me out, please? And in the next 2 minutes, they'll sort you out. It's just sometimes, depending on update on the website and software, and but yeah, that's what they did to me. It took 2 minutes, and everything is sorted, and you don't have to touch it anymore. Just have to do it once. It only takes 2 minutes. If you want to try GetResponse for free, you've got 30 days for free. You don't need to put your credit card, which is good because some software you've got to put your credit card. You've got your trial period, and then they charge you. Sometimes because you forget, you put your credit card and you don't want to be charged. That's why I don't like. That's why I like GetResponse, because you don't put your credit card, you've got your 30 days, and then after the 30 days, they ask you to put your bank details if you wish. Very good software, friendly to use. I mean, it's very easy, piece of piece. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. I will do some more for you. Don't forget to subscribe. Just let me know in the comment if you've got any question, or if you use GetResponse as well. I'll leave a link below. If you get GetResponse, just let me know. I'll send you some free template and email, so you don't need to write. Easy. Be a bit lazy like me. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next one.